Next one, 8.16. So for the following bond cleavages, use curved arrows to show the electron flow and classify each as homolysis or electrolysis. Identify reactive intermediate produced as free radical, carbocation and carbon ion. Here see, it means, for example, AEB. Bond means 2 electrons. So bond means 2 electrons. When it bond cleavage into equally, then A free radical plus B free radical is obtained. It is called homolysis. So it is homolysis. It is homolysis. Otherwise, if AB is molecule, bond means 2 electron, it is unequally shared. Here unequally shared, A Chem plus B is minus. So it is the heterolysis. It is the heterolysis. In homolysis, free radical is obtained. In heterolysis, cation and anion is found. Ions are formed. So in homolysis, free radicals are formed. Free radicals are formed. In heterolysis, ions are formed. Cation and anion. So here see, A CH3O, OCH3, bond means 2 electrons. Bond means 2 electrons. It is in between, it is cleavage. So CH3O get 1 electron, another OCH3 get another electron. So it is free radical. So free radical means it is the homolysis. Homolysis. Intermediate compounds are free radicals. Free radicals. So it is the answer, homolysis, and intermediate compounds are free radicals. Again, here see, in this place CH3. In this place CH3. CH3. So here go. Here it bond is so unequally shared. Unequally shared. So it H comes into in this place. HBr. So this it is cation. So CH3, CH is plus. So cation anion is formed. So it is the heterolysis. So ions are formed. Ions are formed. Then it is the heterolysis. So the intermediate compounds is carbocation. So carbocation means carbon contains plus charge. So it is the carbocation. Again, last one, benzene, electrophilic substitution. So the electrophile enter into the place, plus is formed in this place. So it is also heterolysis, and ion is formed. So it is the intermediate compound is carbocation. So the total answers are first one, homolysis, intermediate compound is free radical. Again, cation and anion, ions are formed. So it is the heterolysis, and the intermediate compound is carbocation. And finally, so electrophile is enter and cation is formed. So cation means it is the heterolysis. The intermediate compound is carbocation. Thank you.